Today we're gonna make a delicious dish of pickled roasted peppers. I like to use these small mini peppers. You could absolutely use the larger bell peppers. You could use whatever you want. The only thing that will vary is how long you need to roast them in the oven. So just grab all your peppers, throw them into your baking tray, just like so. I like to add some jalapeno because I like a little bit of spice, but if you don't like spicy food, you could totally discard the jalapeno pepper. This goes into the oven at about 350 for probably around 20 to 25 minutes, just till their skin starts turning a little brownish, and then they're ready to come out and we peel them. Peppers are out of the oven, they look nice and oh, that's hot, but that's how we play the game. We start with peeling the peppers. Easier to peel them while they're hot. Maybe if you have some kitchen gloves, make it easier. I do not, so I just need to burn myself. Just peel them off. Look at that, they peel nice and easy. Now I cut this into little strips just using my fingers and straight into the bowl. Trays out of the way, we have all our peppers here peeled and already sliced into strips. I even got a chance to wash my hands, and now we assemble the main part of the salad, which is just taking these 2 little cloves of the garlic, slicing them nice and fine. Alright, 2 sliced cloves of garlic going in. Since that hot pepper was not that hot, I'm gonna add a bunch of these red hot pepper flakes. I mean, you could add them just as some crushed red pepper. Add some sugar. Probably about a tablespoon or so for this amount of peppers. Add some vinegar. Now I don't want the vinegar to be too strong, so I add about an equal amount of water to the amount of vinegar I just added. Stir this all together. And now I just cover it and let it stay in the fridge overnight so all the flavors can combine. This stays probably good in the fridge for about 2 weeks and it tastes amazing.